CSR.
CSR.
CSR. Hello everyone, imagine this, you are walking down a street and you see a factory that's making a lot of money but it's dumping waste into the nearby river. Now imagine another company nearby that's also making money but instead of polluting they are cleaning up the river, building a park for the community. Which company would you respect? The second one, right? That's because they are practicing CSR. It's a way of companies to show that they care about the environment, people and the future. CSR isn't just about business being kind, it's about being responsible. Today, I'll explain what CSR is, why it matters and how companies in India around the world are making a difference. CSR stands for Corporate Social Responsibility. It's when companies go beyond their main job of making profit to take care of society, the environment and the people around them. It's like businesses saying we are not just here to take, we are here to give back to. For example, if a company uses natural resources, it might plant trees to replace what it looks. A company might also fund schools, hospitals or disasters relief efforts. CSR isn't just about charity, it's about creating a balance. Businesses take from the society resources, labor and even trust. Through CSR, they return the favor by helping make the life better for everyone.
So let us know about the CSR activities in India. In India, CSR is taken very seriously. In fact, it's a part of a law. Companies that make big profit must spend 2% of their profit on CSR activities. Here are some inspiring examples, like we can take the example of Tata Groups. Tata has always been a leader in CSR activities. They have built schools, hospitals and even entire town. For example, the Tata Institution of Social Science provide affordable education to thousands of students. Second example we can take of Reliance Industries. Reliance work to improve the villages by providing clean drinking water, health care services and education. Their rural transformation program have helped millions of people. Next, take as example of Wipro. Wipro focuses on environmental sustainability and education. They run programs to make the school better and to promote the digital literacy in the rural area.
CSR on the international stage. Globally, companies are using CSR to tackle challenges like climate change, poverty and inequality. So here are some examples. So Microsoft trains young people in digital skills and donates technology to schools worldwide. They are also investing in renewable energy to run their offices. So Unilever, CSR work is focused on sustainability. They help farmers grow crops without harming the soil and promote hygiene through affordable soaps in developing countries. So next is Patagonia. This clothing brand is a champion of environmental responsibility. They give 1% of their profit to environmental causes and actively work to reduce waste. So Google is committed to using 100% renewable energy for its data centers and offices. They are also funding green projects to fight climate change. I tell you about what can we do as individuals. CSR isn't just the responsibility of big companies. We as individuals play a role too. Support ethical brands, buy from companies that practice CSR. Encourage change. If you see businesses harming the environment or people, speak up. Be responsible ourselves, whether it's a recycling or volunteering. Every small action helps.
So in conclusion, CSR shows us that businesses don't have to choose between success and doing good. They can do both, whether it's planting trees in India or reducing carbon emissions globally. CSR is about creating a better, fairer and more sustainable world for everyone. As future professionals, let's embrace CSR in our work. And as consumers, let's support businesses that are making a difference, because together we can build a world where success means helping everyone grow, not only a few. Thank you.